we want to talk about innovation today, right? And Warren was sharing with me these robotic, lawnmowers, and they mow every day, and they give haircuts, and a quarter of an inch every day.
It's like a Roomba for your landscape.
So it is. So
yeah, and first of all, full disclosure, we don't manufacture those.
Yeah.
But at our Hunter campus in San Marcos, California, we have an 8-acre park. And so we have our own in-house landscape maintenance crew, and I was seeing all these advertisements and articles on LinkedIn, robotic mowers, so I reached out to one of the companies, and we actually tried one on our campus for 3 months, and our grass looks like a golf course fairway out there. And there's obviously no noise when the mower's out there, and it also gets people interacting with the landscape because our employees are going, what is that out there? In fact, it has a big H on it because it's made by a company, Husqvarna.
Yeah.
And they're like, is Hunter making a robotic
not
mower? I'm like,
Husqvarna,
no, we're not making an
Now
robotic
these are
mower.
electric?
They're electric, yeah.
And guess what? 2024 in the state of California, no more gas lawnmowers, no more gas blowers, no more gas anything, right?
Yeah.
And so this is a great leap forward. You guys are setting the example there at Hunter.
We're trying to, and it's also a great opportunity because we bring a lot of customers to our campus, so we can just show them we're trying to practice what we preach about sustainability and corporate social responsibility.
Yeah, now Warren's a champion of sustainability all throughout the United States here, my gosh. And if you need some more information about sustainability and using that as a business opportunity for you folks out there. It's a green world. That's our duty. That's our why.
Didn't you write a book, Green Side Up?
I think something like that.
Something like
You're
that?
right. I think you may have read it a couple
I might
of times.
have read it too,
Good
yeah.
stuff. So visit the Hunter, if you have a chance to go to the Hunter properties there in San Diego area, it is incredible. I've given many talks there. One of the best facilities I've ever seen. So take advantage of that. And not take advantage of you, but sort of take advantage of you too. This guy's a great resource, great to go for the sustainability thing and innovation. I love that innovation. You guys
and it's part of our core, what we do for products in the irrigation industry and the lighting industry.
So stay right ahead of everything. So we certainly appreciate Warren sharing that with us today. Head harvester Bill Arman from the West Coast. Now go out there and harvest your potential. Go get one of those little electric Roomba lawnmowers and try it out, especially you guys in California.
It'll chase the dog around too.
Chase the dog around. We'll see you guys.